Hello, this is the top flight Cessna 182, and I got the wing all covered. It didn't take too long, a couple of days. The white is real monocoat, and the underside is looking like that. White with blue trim. It should be visible up in the air. I've got the flaps hooked up. Everything's hinged. Flaps work pretty good. They're not the Fowler type. They don't set out, but they will work okay. And the ailerons are working fine too. That all went together pretty well with the instant hinges. Oh, I still have to paint the cowling. That's probably the next big project. I'll have to go get some paint. See that? We have flaps. We have elevator. I'll tell you about some of the trials and tribulations putting this thing together. Oh man. I took every shortcut I could. Notice there's no wheel. Got it balanced laterally. There's a little tiny bit of weight here on the wingtip. I balanced the whole plane. Unbelievably, I had to put 20 ounces of lead in the nose to get it to balance right. I'm hoping that I'll be able to take some of that out after I fly it. As soon as we get it painted, we get it all finished and ready to go, we'll set it out and give you the last pictures before the maiden startup in flight.